Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set BIOS password on GIGABYTE G7. If you want to set a password for entering the BIOS, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how, you can watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to Security, then set Supervisor password. Before you set it, make sure that you set it to something that you can remember, because in case you forget it, there will be no way to restore it later. Then enter the password that you want to set and re-enter it. Then click on Yes and click on OK. Now you can also set a user password and power on password. And first let me explain what do they do. So supervisor password is used to open BIOS and adjust all the settings in it. The user password will let you enter BIOS, but will only let you adjust a few settings, not all of them. And the power on password, if enabled, then your password will be required not only to enter BIOS, but to turn on your laptop at all. And if power on password is enabled and you are booting into system, not into BIOS, then it doesn't matter whether it's the supervisor password or user password that you enter. It'll still boot into system, but either of those has to be entered. And also you can't set the same password for supervisor password and user password. It should be set to something else. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.